On this video, I'm going to teach you how to make yourself appear into two places just like this. So you make yourself a twin and you'll be talking to yourself at the same time, just like you are seeing here. Okay, a lot of content creators, they actually have scripts that they need to act and they need two people to do this script, but then they don't have anybody around. It's just them and them alone. And then without a second person, they cannot actually interpret this script or this content that they want to shoot. So this video will teach you how to make yourself to appear in two places, and you can either dress the same way or dress different way and interpret your script, record it and post your content. Okay, so let's go into the video where I teach you how to do this for free. To do this kind of video, you need to come over to CapCut. So I'm going to open my CapCut. To do this kind of video, you need to come over to CapCut. So I'm going to open my CapCut. When you come to CapCut, click on New Project. Then add the video that you want to use to do this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and select the video that I recorded for this video. So I have added the video to my CapCut. So this is the video that I recorded. This is the video. So I recorded them. After you record this one, let me play it so that you see it. Let me remove the volume so that it doesn't affect the recording. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the volume. Okay, so I'll remove the volume. So let me play it so that you see the recording that I did. So this is me standing here. This is how you record it. You stand for a while, calculate your time. If you are standing 30 seconds here, you also need to stand 30 seconds in the other side. So after standing, I moved to the other side. So this is me moving to the other side. Then you also wait for 30 seconds too. Then after you've recorded it, you are going to go off the camera. So this is me making a gesture. I already have the concept that I want to use to shoot this video. So once you have stayed there for 30 seconds too, you are going to go off the camera. All right, so this is the recording. So the first thing you need to do is to come. So this is where I stood by this side. So you are going to trace to the place that you walked over to the other side. Okay, so this is me walking over. Okay, so I'm going to click here, come to split, click on split. Once you click on split, you are going to move again, then come to this place that you sat down. So I have balanced, so I'm going to click again and split. Then this particular one that is in the center where I walked from this side to this side, I'm going to delete it. So you delete, and then you also trace to where you started leaving the scene. Okay, this is the place. Okay, so I'm going to click again and I will split. Then delete this SS, this part here. Also click on delete. Then you are going to click this part, the ending part. This is the first part, this is the second part. So click the second part and look for overlay. Click on overlay and drag. You see that this clip will come down, then drag it to this first part. Okay, so this is it. You've dragged it to the first part. As you can see here, watch here, you will see that there is an SS here. You need to make sure that this clip and this clip, they are the same seconds, the time they rhyme together. So we are going to come here and adjust. We are going to come here and cut off some parts. So let's cut this place off, then bring it back again. It didn't rhyme. So what you are going to do now is to also cut more. So you cut more, then this place too you can also increase. So make sure they are the same. Make sure they are the same. So let me increase here and see. So once you've done this, once you make sure that the clips are the same, the next thing you need to do is to click on this down here. When you click on it, you are going to scroll, look for mask. This is mask here. Click on mask. When you click on mask, allow it to load. Then you see horizontal. Click on this horizontal. All right, when you click on this horizontal, use your two hands and bend this line, bend it. bend it this way, not this way. Bend it this way. Okay, make sure it's at 90. Okay, look at it, it's at 90. You can see here that I am now into two places. So let's play the video. So you see now. So always make sure that this clip and this clip are the same. Then I'm going to delete this excess part. So once you've done this, if you watch the video that I showed you earlier, there was rain. Rain was falling. I generated that rain. So for you to add that rain, what you need to do is to come over to effects. Click on effects here. You can see effects. Click on effects, then click on video effects. You are going to allow it to load. Then you look for rain. So just search rain here. Then look at rain. Okay, so once you select it, it will be added to the video. So what you are going to do is to drag this rain, drag it to the first part, then you are going to expand it, drag it to the end of the video. Okay, so the next thing is that thunder lightning effect that I added earlier. So for you to do this, you need to also come back to video effects, your effects again, come to video effects and search for lightning or thunder, anyone, lightning. You light in here and search. So you see lightning, this is the one I used. So click on this light in here, see the lightning there, click on it. So you see you have added it, then you are going to come back. So now this is where the lightning is, this is where I put the lightning. So the next thing you need to do is to add audio, the sound of the rain and the lightning. So to do this, you need to come to the start of the video. Then when you come to the start of the video, come to audio, click on audio. Then you are going to click on sound effects. Look at sound effects here. Click on sound effects. When you click on it, it's going to load. Then you are going to search for rain. Now we want to add the rain. So this is rain. So you are going to go ahead and add this rain. Okay. Then make sure you drag it from the beginning. Make sure it's from the beginning. Okay. Then you are going to cut it at the end of the clip too and delete. Then the next one is to add the thunder sound. To do this, come to this place. Look at where you added the lightning. Look at it. Look at where you added the lightning here. So this is where you add the sound. Make sure it rhymes with the thunderstorm. So I'm going to bring you to the beginning, then come back again and go to audio. When I go to audio, I'm going to go to sound effects again and search for thunder. Search for thunder and search. See, look at thunder. This is the short one. So you select the longer one, or you can select this short one also. So I'm going to select this short one, add. So it has been added. So let me play the video. So you see, so that's how you do it, and your video is good to go. So as you can see here, this is a simple way of you cloning yourself and doing your content. Okay, so I call your way next time. I remain Justice Chibuike. Don't forget, keep creating.